Want to know how to use variable or var keyboard in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up VS Code or any other application. So there used to be an old way to declare variables, just like this, where you used to write string name and with string and then an integer. But with variables, so you can just simply type in var instead of string or any data types. So make sure the data is more obvious and not too long for this as well, or it won't work. So what var does is it scans the string or the integer and then it just automatically decides the keyword. This makes Java super simple as it was introduced in Java 10 but is still solid in Java 17. And that's it. That's how you use it in Java 17 or any other Java version. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.